ADS Pipe is our high-performance HDPE water conveyance solution. Lightweight and easy to freight, it has many benefits for your project with fast, cost-effective and efficient installation compared to reinforced concrete pipe or RCP. In ADS Pipe's case study, they explore a comparison of a 200-foot HDPE pipe installation versus 200 feet of RCP. In metric, this is a 60-metre run of pipe with installation speed showing that the installation of the ADS HDPE pipe is up to twice as fast of that of the RCP. The savings from HDPE start with freight and delivery. Its lightweight composition and ability for fast and safe unloading and loading reduces many of the comparative costs of transport, freight and on-site handling. HDPE pipe is typically available in longer lengths than RCP, which also leads to lower amount of lifts into pipe excavations, dramatically speeding up installation time.